This is a video tutorial of the JAMS Toolbar utilizing the Auto MedRec feature and the MDET Lite tool. What you see in front of you is AHLTA with the T-Swift Core AIM form open. I'm going to toggle over to CHCS. This is where my JAMS Toolbar is hosted, the Joint Automated Medication Services Toolbar. You'll notice here at the top. So I'm going to let my CHCS session fully log me in. Okay, I'm logged in. What I'm going to do is click Auto MedRec to initiate the process. Then it automatically prompt me for a patient's name. So I'm going to use my test patient. And I'll use patient number 2. And so what you notice that it cycled through all of the patient's medications in CHCS, current and inactive, all the patient's meds, including the over-the-counter that's listed in PDTS. Then you get this medication filter form. And so you have the ability to select the types of meds you want to use or look at to perform the medication reconciliation for your patient. So predominantly you're going to look at the active and the over-the-counter, the PDTS meds. And I'm going to click OK. So it automatically pulls up this graphic user interface form, this nice user-friendly form. And it pulls in all that data. So currently I only have active medications in the system for this patient. I don't have any PDTS meds. So you have 3 columns that you could sort in ascending and descending order. So you can sort all these fields by ascending and descending for the medication name or the last fill date or by the status. In the event that you have multiple meds and different types of status, you can group them together using the ascending and descending order here. The last column here asks you as the documenter, is this med a patient still taking, or is the patient still taking this med? And you'll select yes if the patient says they're still taking this med. So let me sort this back. And the patient says, yes, I am still taking this med, but I'm not taking 1,000 milligrams, I'm taking 500 milligrams. So you can go in here and make changes, 500 milligrams. The point is just to show you that these fields are modifiable. And you don't like PO, you can say by mouth or oral or whatever it is you want to type. These are free text fields and they're fully updatable. And if there's a med here that a patient is taking and it's not listed, remember this is only documentation purposes, you can go in here and type it. So if the patient says I'm taking Tylenol 100 milligrams by mouth, and I'm going to select yes, yes, or you could take a quick shortcut and you can use the button here at the bottom which says select all, or you can unselect all. So I'll say select all. So now we're going to utilize the MDET Lite tool that we built into the JAMS Toolbar. So I'm going to select MDET Lite. So what it does, it automatically pulls in all the medication reconciliation information that we just performed and puts it directly into the MDET Lite tool, into the section that it corresponds to, which is section E. And that's exactly what you're looking at. You're looking at section E with the meds that we just performed, the medication reconciliation we just performed, using the nice GUI from the JAMS Toolbar, so that you can continue on with your documentation and you don't have to flop back and forth. You can continue on with your MDET Lite tool if you're one of those users that utilize the MDET Lite tool. And that is how you use the JAMS Toolbar using the Auto MedRec integrated with the MDET Lite tool.